We have already built our raised bed garden, and it turned out strong and beautiful. The circular shape gives it a balanced look and makes it easy to reach from every side. The bamboo wall is holding the soil perfectly, and the cardboard around it is slowly softening as it begins to break down. The layers of soil, dry grass, and manure inside are settling beautifully after watering. Microbes have started to wake up and multiply, creating a living soil full of unseen activity beneath the surface. It feels amazing to see something made entirely from recycled materials working so perfectly. Every part of it, from bamboo to cardboard, is serving a purpose, protecting the soil, keeping it moist and making it fertile at the same time. After about 3 weeks, the bed has settled nicely and is ready for the next step. This time, we are going to add a composting system directly inside the bed. This system will continuously feed the soil with organic matter and produce compost tea that reaches the plant roots directly. It's like creating a natural fertilizer factory within the bed. The best part is that it doesn't require any expensive tools. Just a simple 5-liter water bottle that will become our in-bed composting system. Start by cleaning the bottle properly. Then, using a soldering iron, make small holes all around the sides and bottom. These holes are important because they allow air and moisture to pass through, helping the waste inside decompose faster. The holes also let the compost tea, the nutrient-rich liquid produced during decomposition, seep directly into the soil around the roots. Next, partially cut the top of the bottle so it can open and close easily when adding kitchen waste or checking the compost. This design keeps insects out while allowing air to enter, which is essential for proper composting. Choose a spot near the center of the bed for the bottle so that the compost tea spreads evenly in all directions. Make a hole with a small shovel, large enough to fit the bottle comfortably. Once ready, place the bottle in the hole and press soil around it to keep it firm. The bottle should be buried deep enough that only the openable top is visible above the surface, keeping it neat and blended with the bed. The holes in the bottle will now be surrounded by moist soil, creating perfect conditions for composting. Now it's time to fill the bottle with kitchen waste, such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and dry leaves. Avoiding oily or cooked food, these natural wastes are full of nutrients and will slowly turn into compost. After adding a few handfuls, cover them with a small layer of ready compost. This step is crucial because ready compost contains millions of beneficial microbes that start the decomposition quickly and prevent bad odors. Within days, you'll notice the waste settling down, showing that it's turning into compost. You can keep adding new waste as the old one breaks down. On top of this, add a magical liquid fertilizer made earlier from charcoal, compost, molasses, and water. This liquid is rich in beneficial microbes and nutrients. The charcoal helps retain moisture and nutrients. Molasses feeds the microbes, and compost adds more life. When poured into the composting bottle, it speeds up decomposition and fills the soil with billions of active bacteria that spread through the holes, enriching the bed and feeding the roots directly. Over time, this system becomes self-sustaining. The kitchen waste turns into compost, the compost tea seeps out, and the microbes keep the soil alive. The plants grow stronger, and you can keep feeding the system again and again. Nothing goes to waste, and your garden keeps getting richer without chemical fertilizers. This simple setup not only makes your plants thrive, but also keeps your soil full of life. It's a small yet powerful step towards sustainable gardening. It works quietly beneath the surface. You just need to keep feeding it kitchen waste and occasionally add a bit more of the liquid fertilizer to keep the microbes active. In a few weeks, your plants will look greener, healthier, and more vibrant. That's the true power of living soil and natural composting. By adding this small composting bottle into the raised bed, we've turned a simple garden into a self-sustaining ecosystem where everything works in harmony. The soil, microbes, plants, and even the waste we produce daily. It's easy, free, and incredibly effective. With every new scrap you add, your garden becomes stronger, more fertile, and more alive.